Hello everyone and welcome to another Bluetooth module tutorial from Taiyo Yuden. In this video, we're going to show how easy it is to get started on Taiyo Yuden's new Bluetooth 5 modules. This tutorial will cover the EY, SK, BN, ZWB, EY, SK, JN, ZWB, and EY, SK, DN, ZWB wireless modules. These modules are all based on Nordic Semiconductor's powerful nRF52840 chipset. Hardware requirements. You would need Taiyo Yuden Evaluation Kit, EK, SK, BN, ZWB, or EK, SK, JN, ZWB, or EK, SK, DN, ZWB, which contains Taiyo Yuden nRF52840 EVB, J-Link Light Programming PCB, and JTAG serial wire debug programming cable. You'd also need 2 USB cable connected to computer USB ports, one to power validation board, and the other to power J-Link light board. Software requirements. Nordic SDK version 15.0. PC serial communication software. We will use real-term for this example. SEGGER Embedded Studio version 3.34. nRF Toolbox app for smartphone from App Store. Download SEGGER Embedded Studio version 3.34. Select the relevant installer for your PC 32 or 64-bit. There are a few installation options, so for most screens, you could simply click Next to move through them. When you reach the Additional Components windows, ensure that the Install J-Link Device Driver option is selected before advancing. Select from SEGGER Embedded Studio Tools, then Package Manager. These steps require an internet connection. When the Package Manager window opens, select Yes and wait for the list to appear. Search for CMSIS Core Support Package, but not CMSIS5. CMSIS Core Package. Right-click and select Install Selected Packages. The Action column should display Install. Locate the nRF CPU Support Package. Right-click and select Install Selected Packages. The Action column should display Install. Once the above steps are completed, select Next. The selected packs will be listed for installation. Select Next to finish download. Once completed, select Finish to return to dashboard. Download nRF5 SDK file at link shown. Save nRF5 SDK to C drive. Try to keep the file extension short. If the file extension is too long, you might encounter an error when compiling projects. UART pin on EVB must match Nordic SDK UART pin assignments. Download EVB manual from our website shown. Refer to page shown. Note down GPIO pin assignment for RTS, TX, CTS, and RX pins. UART pin GPIO assignment for each nRF52840 wireless module can vary, so please check EVB manual. Navigate to nRF5 SDK folder as shown. Open file PCA 10040.h, scroll down to line 89 to 92 TX, RX, CTS, and RTS pins should match EVB pins assignment. If they do not match, change the pins assignment, then click Save and Close. Connect EVB J-Link programming PCB/cable and USB cable to computer USB ports as previously shown. Navigate to folder shown. Select BLE App UART project. Project open up in SEGGER Embedded Studio. Go to Build, then Build Solution. Project build with no error. Select Target, then connect J-Link. Next, select Target, then erase all. Select Target, then download BLE App UART. When download is completed, soft device and BLE App UART successfully program into evaluation board. Power cycle EVB. Download and open RealTerm. Connect to EVB using the following parameters shown. Press Reset button on EVB. You should see UART started on terminal window. Download nRF Toolbox from App Store. Open the nRF Toolbox application and select UART from the Activity Selection screen. Next, grant Bluetooth permission to nRF Toolbox app. Select Connect. Select Connect to Nordic UART from list. Select any blank icon to add short message. Type a short message, less than 20 characters, and select icon as shown. Select Create. Press the icon you added previously on the UART application. The test message you wrote should appear on the terminal window on your PC each time you press the icon. Press Show Logs on the nRF Toolbox UART application. In your terminal software, enter a message and click Send to transmit to nRF52 devices. The message must end with line feed. Message will appear in the log messages of the UART application. This concludes our Tayo Yuden nRF52840 SEGGER Embedded Studio Wireless Module Programming. Thank you for listening, and please visit us at website shown for more information on wireless module products.